What the fuck? Why is this happening?
Why is this happening?
There's just a train stopped right in front of us.
Fuck everything. 1434, you're on my hit list.
It's probably dropping off a car and picking another one up because they used to do that in Detroit all the time.
I'm just gonna get mad and hump this car. Take it. You love it.
So this is why we're probably going to be late to dinner.
We're already late to dinner.
Yes. For future reference to Aaron.
I just want to lean out the window. Move your ass, dipshit!
Can we just like jack the train and take it? Like somehow make our own tracks and go to dinner in that? That's how you show up at a con in a train.
It's like Hogwarts.
Yeah. Why is he doing
It looks like he's like, drive over me. just drive over.
Cat like fur thing.
Oh, I heard things.
Yeah, so did I.
Motherfucker.
There's like a huge line behind us even. Look at that. It goes on.
Good.
Train is tight. Go.
Train is a Titan. Target acquired.
But the only building is like over there.
Like we don't have very much maneuverability.
Oh my god.
There's a tree. There we go. We're good.
That is not a big ass tree.
It'll work if you believe. Wait.
There's somebody on a bike.
I thought I heard them like take off.
And I love you, random citizen.
I envy you right now, sir.
Are you gonna go yet?
I'm genuinely pissed.
Oh!
There it goes.
It's moving.
Fucking A.
Again.
Yeah, he's going real slow.
Well, trains take a while to gather speed, so they are nice, actually. Like the one that I was on,
Hit a car.
well, yes, it hit a car, but there wasn't anybody in it. It just hit a car. There was a car on the tracks, and it hit the car. Okay, so what happened? I'm not trying to talk about what happened. I'm trying to talk about the train itself. The train ride itself was actually really enjoyable. It was just like there was plenty of leg room. There were like electrical outlets on the side, so like.
Car may fall over.
Good.
Good. Warning.
Oh my god.
Look at that
Warning.
stick figure.
Car may fall over. Safety first.
Look at that stick figure.
As we were saying.
Boo.
I don't.
Boo.
Hey, look, there's the end. That's my policy in life. Complain about it, and it will happen for you. Rest in peace. Spoo. 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 No. Crap. Did you eat crap? Did you eat crap? Crap. I ate too.
Now is the time when I must try hard.
I must try hard.
Are you sure that was the end?
No! Do not load with dangerous goods in Canada. So the United States spy.
Ray! And there's Ray, a little butterfly. That's the curliest graffiti I've ever seen in my life.
Like Kid Bert.
So that's my man.
That is, oh, it is. It's slowing down. It is, oh my fucking god.
Get away. 'Cause we got no time to lose. And now it's going backwards. Are you serious? Motherfucker! It's actually going backwards. Oh my god. Miss a second with you. Not gonna miss a second with you at this rate. So I apologize for this. We're gonna do what they're doing. Let's see if the soul can do it. Ha-ha! On the trail we blaze! That's the trail that we blaze!
Sleep in your eyes.
It's never gonna end.
It's like the opposite of a TARDIS.
Fucker! Fuck off! I hate your doing!
It's like a baseball game or something.
Yeah. Look what we can find when we're not pissed. I'm still pissed. Of course, Armin. Hey, Joe, can we go? Hey, Joe! Hey, Joe!
I see it. You must go
Doesn't matter where.
Alright.
We got that moving highway. Way. As long as you are there, we can go anywhere.
Why did I bring my purse? I can't put it on my shoulder.